Hey, Brent, where do you get that there tiny-looking tractor?
Go down the dirt road there and you get a motorcycle store.
Motorcycle store? They sell them little tractors up there?
It ain't a tractor, it's a Yamaha.
No kidding. I didn't know Yamaha make them little tractors.
Yeah, it gets down in the woods where my tractor won't go and they pull them fucking loads out of the fucking woods.
No shit.
No shit.
Huh.
It uses a tenth of the gas with that old pick-em-up truck.
No shit.
Yeah.
Tell you, that's a nice-looking little tractor.
It ain't a fucking tractor.
Where am I getting me one of them little tractors?
Go down to the motorcycle store there.
No shit. Hey, how come we got them, if it ain't no tractor, how come we got them there knobby little tractor tires on it?
They get you more tractors through them there woods, pulling them fucking logs out.
No kidding,
It's
huh?
got that big old rack on the front.
Get around the farm? Well,
Yeah.
darn. Oh, see, I got a buddy's got a little tractor like that, but it's John Deere. How come Yamaha didn't make no tractor?
It ain't no tractor, it's a three-wheeler, ATV.
No kidding. Well, it still looks like a tractor to me, I think.
It ain't a fucking tractor, you scum-sucking son of a bitch. It's a Yamaha fucking tri-motor.
Got them there knobby tires like a tractor.
It ain't a fucking tractor.
Jump it! Jump it!
That there can outpull any of your tiny little tractors.
No shit.
No shit. And it has more fucking horsepower than your tractor does too, that there John Deere.
So you're saying what you're saying, it will outputt anything on a fucking farm, and it ain't a fucking tractor?
That ain't a fucking tractor. That's Brenda. He'll tell you what the fuck it is. It's a goddamn Yamaha tri-motor.
No shit.